Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up ACH in QuickBooks. First, you'll need to ensure your QuickBooks account is properly configured for online payments. This involves verifying your company's banking details and setting up the necessary permissions. We'll walk through each step, making sure you understand how to securely process electronic payments. This streamlined approach saves time and improves cash flow for your business. To begin, access your QuickBooks account and navigate to the Account and Settings section. From there, you'll find the Payments tab, which is your gateway to enabling online payment options. It's crucial to link your business bank account accurately here. This connection allows QuickBooks to securely process ACH payments directly to and from your accounts, ensuring smooth financial operations.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: just like setting up ACH streamlines your finances, choosing quality products streamlines your life. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're like the reliable ACH of your wardrobe. Check the description for a link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once your bank is connected, it's time to configure your ACH preferences. You can specify which payment methods your customers can use, including bank transfers. Also, set your default payment terms for invoices, like net 15 or due on receipt. Don't forget to review and adjust any transaction limits to match your business needs, ensuring flexibility and control over your finances. With everything set up, processing ACH payments is straightforward. When creating an invoice, simply select ACH as the preferred payment method for your customer. Send the invoice directly from QuickBooks, and your customer can pay electronically. You can then easily monitor the payment status within your QuickBooks dashboard, giving you real-time updates on incoming funds and improving your cash flow management.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.